Welcome back to Preschool Genius. Today we'll learn and guess many types of kitchenware. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you guess the name of this kitchenware? Blender. A blender is an electrical kitchen appliance used to mix liquids and soft foods together, or turn fruit or vegetables into liquid.
Don't forget to subscribe!
Kitchen glove. Kitchen gloves help prevent the transfer of harmful bacteria from your hands to the food you prepare. It also protects your hands from some of the extreme heat encountered in the kitchen. Kitchen scale. A chef uses a digital kitchen scale to measure the weight or mass of an ingredient, expressed in pounds, grams, ounces, or milliliters. Teapot. For many cultures, a teapot means so much more than a vessel for brewing and pouring tea. It is also a symbol of friendships and confidence in each other. Rolling pin. A rolling pin is a cylindrical food preparation utensil used to shape and flatten dough. Refrigerator. The purpose of having a refrigerator is to keep food cold, because cold temperatures help food stay fresh longer. Blender. Kitchen glove. Kitchen scale. Teapot. Rolling pin. Refrigerator. Thanks for watching. I hope you are enjoying playing with us today. See you in the next video. Bye!